Oh, 90 degrees in Iowa. Oh. Got a dinner ride for Big Barn. Well, let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. They said we're going to take it easy. I ain't never taken it easy, only sleazy.
That's okay. That's even better. Got a good time for you.
Said we're going to a place called Whistling Donkey. Didn't know donkeys whistle? Oh, they neighed like a horse or something. All right, well, yeah. Come on, go throw some gear on, and gotta grab some gas. Fucking gas. Fucking hate grabbing gas right now. Gas prices are crazy. I think I'll grab a drink. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. All right, made it to the barn. We got some bikes here. Look at that. Go do this fucking dinner ride, man. Go out, get some drinks. Yeah. Hell yeah. There's a fearless leader right there.
Fearless and leader. Yeah. Here we go.
What are your thoughts for this ride?
Well,
what's the game plan?
Not everyone's gonna make it, but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
Some of us, he said, won't make it. That's it. That's life.
Like I said, we've done this before, so
yeah,
it's gonna be a good group ride. You always gotta love group ride, beer, and good food.
So here I am, we're with a fellow rider. How about name?
Kevin.
Bike?
Street Glide 2024.
Going on the dinner ride.
Going on the dinner ride.
What are your expectations for tonight?
I have none. Just to maybe meet some new people and just get out and ride. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
It is. It's beautiful. I've already gotten
a little sunburned.
Got a little burned on my recon ride.
Yeah, no, I'm excited.
Well, Kevin, I think we're gonna have a nice ride. We got Dax over there leading.
Yep.
I'll be in the back. If anybody, gets left behind, it's my fault.
Yeah, I'll probably be back there with you because I go up and down.
Right on, brother. We won't be alone.
Yeah,
we got each other.
Yeah, we'll be ruling the road for sure.
Hell yeah.
So cool.
Grace, what are we doing tonight? What are we doing tonight? Where are we going?
Don't get that one. I'm not doing it right. Dinner
Things like
ride,
that.
baby.
Dinner ride. Where are we going?
Whistling Donkey.
What's the deal with Whistling Donkey?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. I like that. We'll find out.
I'll go ahead and, you want to respond to that? I'll go ahead and find you there.
About 5 minutes, we're gonna kick stands up.
That's okay. I just want to let you guys know.
We rolling out that exit. We rolling out that exit.
I haven't a clue. I didn't even know till just now. I was a mid. I thought I was a sweeper.
Shoot.
This is the barn crew. Fuck yeah.
Is that a video?
Yeah. All right, here we are. Look at this fucking pack. Pack of group. Group pack? Group ride?
We're the middle children of history, man. No purpose or place. We had no Great War, no Great Depression. Our Great War is a spiritual war. Our Great Depression is our lives.
You want to know what fixes you? Not therapy, not a pill, not some weekend retreat where you journal your feelings and eat granola and hug a stranger. No. This right here fixes you. The sound of 45 engines turning over at once, the smell of exhaust and hot asphalt, and the possibility, the moment you click that first gear and the whole world narrows down to a single beautiful lane stretching out in front of me. That's the prescription. Big Barn wrote it out today. Most time I ride alone. That's usually how it goes for me. Just me and the machine. whatever noise is rattling around inside my skull and I'm trying to outrun. Bike handles it. She always does. I twist the throttle and the noise stops. Just stops. Because you cannot be anywhere but here. You cannot be depressed about yesterday or anxious about tomorrow when there is a curve coming up at 70 miles an hour and that requires every single piece of you. That's not escapism. That's presence. More mindfulness than any app is ever going to give you. Today it's different. Today I look in the mirror and I don't see asphalt, I see people. My people. A whole pack of broken, beautiful, road-worn humans who figured out the same secret I did. Had the good sense to show up for it. Look at them. You think those people are suffering right now? You think anybody in this pack is worried about their mortgage, their diagnosis, their divorce, whatever weight they dragged out of bed with this morning? No. Because the road takes it. The road takes it all away. That's the deal you make when you throw a leg over. You give your full attention, and it gives you back yourself. We're going to Whistling Donkey, which, yeah, that's the real place. We're gonna roll in like we own the road between here and there. Because for the next however many miles we do, not aggressive, not talking reckless, just coordinated, deliberate, like something that's practiced moving together. Without ever practicing, we're like a wolf pack that doesn't need a meeting to know how or what to do. Everybody holds their line, everybody watches out, everybody arrives. That's community. That's the real thing. Not a follower count, not a group chat. This thing moving together through space with a shared understanding that we're all a little cracked, and the wind is the only thing that fills it. The world is large, and you are small. Moving through it at speed, which is exactly where you're supposed to be. It fixed me on days when nothing else could reach me. It reached me. The ride. And if you're in that place right now, wherever you are, wherever you're watching this from, some dark corner, I hope you find your version of it. I hope you find your pack, your road. Because it's out there, and it's waiting for you. You can. Ride it.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh. All right, boss. How was it?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was good. We lost a few. The group's coming though, and we picked up a
wondered.
few. We picked up a few on the way. So
Welcome to the dinner
can't
ride.
complain about that. So
Yeah, I kept looking back like, wasn't there more people? I thought there was more people with
it
us.
is what it is. We knew that, but that's why we have a game plan for this. So I mean, it was a good time.
Hey, folks.
It was a good time.
Holding down the middle was different. I am not used to being that close to other people, and it shows.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's gonna come with time. It's one of those things
Takes time
where
to get used to it.
you build it as you go. I'm already ready for the second one, but I forgot what it was like to ride in a group. I'm not gonna lie, that was fun.
It was fun.
I was ready to rip on it though.
I was pretty impressed.
I was ready to rip on it. But
How about yourself, Bill?
Jeremy.
Nice to meet you. Hopefully you don't mind being on camera.
No warrants out. We're good.
That is the best answer.
Yeah.
There's the rest of our group. Yeah!
Sorry, we got lost.
It's all right. Oh yeah.
had a bigger group. Certainly did. And the RJ in the rear. Yeah. You know, he's a service tech, so his bike better sound good. I'd be a little disappointed if his bike didn't. He's right here, a couple real close friends. Phil, you made it!
Absolutely.
Hell yeah, brother. How was the ride, Grace?
Good.
Kiefer didn't scare the hell out of you?
He did.
Did Kiefer, what'd you do?
I was pretty behaved.
The hell out of me.
I thought I was behaved.
I looked back at one point and was like, didn't we have more people with us? I swear we did.
Sell everything?
No, but she sold a lot of it.
What up, Kevin? How was the ride?
It was good, man.
Fuck yeah.
My first one. Little sketch for my first one for me. But
Mine too, but we both made it.
we did.
And we were riding next to each other most of the way.
We were, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, we did. We did good.
Yeah, I'm not great in the middle. Like, I don't know how they all keep such perfect pacing.
Yeah.
Because I get that close, I start getting leery. I'm like, I don't want to crash into that fucking guy.
Yeah, I know, right?
And I space off a little bit, so sometimes I wake back up and I'm like, who's riding a motorcycle?
Yeah,
Here with the wonderful marketing manager, our fearless leader, and one of our finest of service techs, where we at Whistling Donkey, having some drinks, enjoying ourselves, cutting loose after what would be a very hard week.
coworkers, get in here, Jason. Don't make me write you up.
Yeah.
I already got my wallet.
Wait. The best of us, future Miss Motorcycle America.
Is that a thing? Or it will be?
It will be because of you.
I'm first one.
Yeah. They're looking for you
You're
inside.
seeing this first. Oh, for what?
I don't know. Mark Yapple is looking for you. I'm headed out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, see ya. Bye, Billy.
Bye. Good sir, thank you for joining our ride. No problem. Nice lady, thanks for letting us all this motorcycle nonsense come to your place.
What's that?
I said thank you for letting all this motorcycle nonsense
God
come to
love
this
you.
place.
Thank you.
We appreciate
I hope
it.
everything went okay.
Oh, it was wonderful.
All right.
Great
I
service,
love
great
it.
people, and a great place.
I love it. I love this guy.
Oh, yeah. Y'all have a good night.
You too.
Ride safe.
You too.
I haven't met you, sir.
You don't need to.
Why not?
How are you, sir?
Good.
Chris.
Bill. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I work for Big Barn.
I imagine so.
I don't do anything good there.
You don't do anything good. You clearly, you're vlogging.
I'm
right?
vlogging.
How are you?
I have a little YouTube channel.
Yeah?
Where all I do is motorcycle content. And I'm the Rider Academy manager at Big Barn.
Rider Academy manager. I love it.
I appreciate you.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you. My name is Chris Kid Dynamite Dunn. That's my wife over there, Talia Dunn. And I am just refamiliarizing myself with the riding environment because I just got back from deployment. So this
thank
is my
you.
first ride back. So
Thank you for your service.
yeah, thanks for your support.
Well, I'll
Yeah.
tell you why I support you.
Yeah.
A lot of people say thank you for your service. I feel like they do it as a pleasantry and not for any real reason.
Yeah.
I'll say thank you for your service because while I've been here enjoying my life, my freedoms, my liberties in riding motorcycle, you were willing to put your life on the line for me, whether you did or didn't, serve active combat, whether you did or didn't, you were willing to do that, and the least I could fucking do is say thank you.
Well, I appreciate you fucking saying thank you. Yeah, it means a little different now.
That's it. That's all I got for you. This has been Bleak Rides and another lousy production, bringing you a sermon of speed from the road and a Harley dinner ride. Remember, whatever you do to live, thrive, and survive, find your people, find your path. If you can't find the path, make one. If you can, just ride.